Hi, I'm Mika Nichols, Director of Clinical Education here at Össur. Today I'm going to walk you through how to heat and mold the UCAST metacarpal splint. So let's get into it. Before we do anything else, take a minute to read through the instructions and warnings. Once you've done that, go ahead and pull the splint and textile out of the packaging. Now, before we get to heating, let's make sure your orientation is right. You're going to line up the splint with the sleeve and align that flat edge along the 5th metacarpal and 5th finger. Make sure the textile and straps are sitting clean and correctly positioned. Getting this right now saves you a lot of potential issues later. Alright, now we're going to heat the material. Put it into the heater and press the 2mm button. You'll see an amber light, and when that light turns off, you're ready to mold. And don't worry, you've got plenty of time to work with it. No need to rush. Take the heated material and place it onto the textile, keeping that same orientation you set up in the beginning. Position it on the patient now, with the flat edge along the 5th metacarpal and 5th finger, just like before. Go ahead and fasten the straps lightly, just enough to hold everything in place. We're not going full tension yet. We just want it to stay put while we do the molding. And just a heads up on that finger strap, that one runs between the 3rd and 4th fingers. Now we're going to start molding. Work the splint around the limb, smoothing it as you go. Set the wrist in slight extension, then flex those MCP joints to at least 70 degrees. Hold that position and let the splint begin to set. You'll feel it start to firm up. Just keep holding it until it's there. Once it's fully hardened, you're ready to tighten the straps to about 50% tension. You'll want it secure but comfortable for the patient. One tip here, pull from the bottom of the strap, not from the very end. You'll get a lot more control that way. And that's it. The UCAST metacarpal splint is molded and fitted and ready to go. If for any reason it doesn't feel right, no big deal. You can always reheat, remold, and refit. That's one of the best things about this material. It gives you the flexibility to get it right.